माननीय सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी,
Honorable members, we will start the short duration discussion now. The first speaker is Susmita Dev. Please, this is your good opportunity.
Sir,
You are a new
sir,
member
it
in
is
this
my
house.
humble request. It is an extremely important matter, the Omicron that is spreading. But equally important is the fact that 12 of our honorable members of this house
you speak on
remain
this subject.
suspended.
If you have to speak,
and
you
we
have to
all
speak on
want to
this subject.
participate. We want them
Because
to also them
this
to
was
participate.
discussed in the Business
We should
Advisory
revoke the
Committee,
suspension, sir.
and that is why this has been included. Yes, please.
We respect the honourable member's sentiment. We respect what the honourable member has said. But she has also seen the way lady marshals were insulted in this house, were attacked in this house. All the staff is serving all the members, is serving to run this house in order. After attacking them, after strangulating the marshals, all they have to do is apologize. That is the least courtesy they can show to the members who are serving this house.
He is addressing
And
the chair.
on 13th of December, when we are paying homage
I have called the leader of the house. I have called him.
who laid their lives to protect the Parliament House, same way, this staff is also working to protect the dignity of this house. If certain members have done wrong, have attacked these marshals, have insulted these marshals, have insulted this house, the least the nation expects is that they apologize, and then we will be very benevolent towards the members. But if they expect that they will attack the marshals, they'll insult lady marshals, and then also they have a right to come back in, I think it is completely irregular. It's quite unfortunate that senior members of the opposition are not willing to repent for the acts of their colleagues.
So, Ms. Susmita Dev, are you participating in this discussion? Are you participating in this discussion? If you don't want, you are in your seat, that's why I am telling you. So go to your seats. Ms. Susmita is in her seat. You all go to your seat. If you have to speak, go to your seats.
Government should tender apology in the house. Government should tender apology in the house.
Ms. Susmita, I have called the name of Susmita Dev and she is in her seat. Let her speak.
Sir, the suspension of the 12 honorable members of this house are totally undemocratic and illegal. We request that their suspension should be revoked. They should be allowed to participate in the proceedings,
You are
sir.
supposed to speak
This is
in the
very important.
short duration discussion on COVID-19.
But it is my humble request, sir. Please revoke the
But her
suspension
humble
of
request-
our
Okay, I have given you the chance. Now the leader will speak.
Let them also
Government is
participate
willing
in
to
this.
consider.
We will all
The
participate,
government
sir.
is willing to consider their request, but they have to apologize for
suspension,
the
I
acts of
believe,
attacking
their-
lady marshals, for the way they have behaved with the people who are protecting the security of this house. How can they expect that they will attack them and then expect them to serve the nation, serve this house? People, sir, have given up their lives. On 13 December, we paid homage to them. They gave up their lives for this sanctum sanctorum, only for these members of parliament in the opposition to insult them and attack them and try to strangulate them. It is a matter of shame that they are not even willing to repent for their actions.
Sir,
All go to your seats. I can allow LOP to speak.
Sir,
LOP.
एक मिनट सर, मैं आपसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि लीडर ऑफ द हाउस
You all go to your seats.
No,
LOP
they are
speaking.
there. Sir, they
No,
were
no, no.
here. At that time he spoke.
There has to be
They
order
were
in the
here.
house.
He
Then
spoke.
only you can speak.
Yes, maybe. But what house
you-
says that it is not in
You
order?
go to your seats.
Don't tell.
listens to us. Sir, जो हमने आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं पहले से भी, और हमने जो गुनाह नहीं किया उसका इल्जाम उन्होंने लगाया।
नहीं। Mr. LOP was discussing short duration discussion on COVID-19. It is a very important subject. This was raised by the opposition and ruling party both to have a discussion on COVID-19. A short duration discussion. The situation is still very bad. So we have to discuss this subject. I have called Sushmita Dev. Leader of the House has spoken. If you are interested to speak on this subject, you can. Otherwise, I'll call the next time.
भैंस को अगर
I'll call the next
तो
time.
गाय को बाहर दिया देते।
आपको यहाँ बैठना है।
सर, लिसन टू मी। देखिए, कोई हमारी, देखिए ये 11 तारीख का घटना अलग है, 10 तारीख का अलग है, लेकिन उन्होंने जो एलिगेशन बार बार कर रहे हैं 10 तारीख की घटना को लेके यहाँ पर बोल रहे हैं। आपने तो शिक्षा दी 11 तारीख के घटना के ऊपर, लेकिन 11 तारीख के घटना में कोई महिलाएं नहीं थी और जो मेंबर इस बुलेटिन में उनका नाम नहीं था। कर रहे, उनको जानकारी नहीं है, देश को और इस सदन को गुमराह कर रहे। ये 11 तारीख की घटनाओं के ऊपर ये कार्रवाई और ये रिकॉर्डिंग थी, हमारे माननीय सांसद ने वीडियो पर ली और वो रिकॉर्डिंग को यूट्यूब पे डाला। उसमें साफ दर्शाता है कि महिला मार्शल के ऊपर महिला मार्शल को पुश किया गया, मेल मार्शल को स्ट्रैंगुलेट करने की कोशिश की गई। ये 11 तारीख की घटना है और इसके लिए आपको माफी मांगने होंगे।
Thank you. So, Mr. Nadimul Haq, the next speaker.
सर,
Will you speak?
सर, ओमिक्रॉन सर, ओमिक्रॉन पर आपने बोलने दिया है, बहुत बहुत आपका शुक्रिया। ये बहुत बड़ा वायरस है सर, ये वायरस हर जगह फैल रहा है, पूरे देश में फैल रहा है सर। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आपसे कि जैसे ये फैल रहा है वैसे हमारे 12 मेंबर बाहर बैठे हुए हैं।
No. This is not. You began very well on the subject. I'll call the next speaker.
लेने जा रहे हैं सर, उसको हिस्सा लेने का मौका दीजिए।
Abir Ranjan Biswas. Abir Ranjan Biswas, will you speak? No, not you. Abir Ranjan Biswas.
রিমার্কটাকে এক্সপেন্স করতে হবে।
কি বলেছে কি বলেছে
বলছে মার্শালের গলা টিপে ধরেছে সব বলেছে।
কে বলছে না না বলো না বিটা বলো
Sir,
আর বলো ঠিক আছে
I thank you for allowing me to speak. Of course, sir, but the house should be in order at first. I request you, sir, please have the house in order.
Member is objecting. You go to your seat. House cannot be in order when you are in the hall. The speaker is objecting that you all are here, and that is why he will not be able to speak on COVID-19.
Sir,
He is being not able to speak on COVID-19 because you all are here.
Sir, one thing,
Your
sir.
own opposition member is objecting to your behavior here. So this is not good. This is not
It is
good.
a very
Go to your
important
seat.
issue, and of course, surely, all would like to speak on this. It is most important. But sir, it is of grave concern not only to the nation, but the world over. More than 70 countries have been affected. But also, sir, it is equally concerning that India is world's largest democracy, and here in this grandest temple of democracy, we have 12 members who are being denied their rights.
That has nothing to do with this
Please
subject.
bring them back, sir. We need them, sir. We need them. Without this, how can the house run, sir?
G.K.
Once you
Basan.
bring them, sir.
G.K. Basan.
Sir,